on an industry basis, local address proof. The oil marketing companies are also making available 5 kgs free trade LPG cylinders. Which can be obtained from the nearby LPG distributors. The overall fuel supply situation in the state continues to remain stable. The public is advised not to pay attention to rumors of any shortage or encourage panic buying. All the three oil marketing companies are committed to ensure seamless supplies of fuel in the 6. I would like to add to this that delivery authentication code usage has also gone more than 90%, which was earlier it was 30 to 33% before March 2026. This is for the information of all the public.
Situation
exactly.
across India, and there has been no further increase, and petrol diesel prices are maintained at same level, which was pre-war situation, like that only.
इसमें कुछ अब लेवल ग्राफ हो गए क्या?
Yes, there has been lot of new connection which have been applied for the PNG, and the connections already been given to those consumers.
गवर्नमेंट कितना सीरियस है इसके बारे में?
See, As in war situation, we have to know that this situation will continue for how long we don't know.
Yeah.
So alternate fuel is the PNG for that thing. So we have to depend on the PNG, and government is fully supporting the PNG.
सोर्स ऑफ पीएनजी कहाँ से है, कैसे है?
See, we will not divert into that thing. See, basically, we are aware today is that we want to ensure the people that they have to go for the PNG. PNG, the stock is sufficiently available in Goa, and not only in Goa, in the rest of whole of India. Okay, so there is no issue as far as supply of PNG is concerned.
अगर ऐसी वॉर जैसी सिचुएशंस आती है, सो क्या गवर्नमेंट्स और अथॉरिटीज कैपेबल है कि
Yes, very
पीएनजी
much.
सप्लाई करने के लिए?
Yes, very much. That is the reason why we are asking all the consumers, all the citizens to shift on to PNG.
So by any time, the PNG pipeline has started all over the Goa now. The work of the PNG pipeline has started.
Infrastructure
all over
work?
No, अभी तक नहीं है. I have told you, it is right now in Ponda Taluka and Tiswade Taluka, and in Salsett and Marmuga Taluka.
So what about the people who are already registered from Bardesh Taluka? So what time?
They will get the regular LPG connection supply. There won't be any restriction on
So
that.
there was one order. So if you want to avail for the commercial restaurant, if you want to avail that additional quota,
Yes,
of you have to apply for the
absolutely.
PNG first. So what about that now?
Yes, basically, see, we want that the people should go for alternate fuel, and that is the reason why they have to apply for the PNG. Till the connections and the infrastructure is built up for the PNG supply, till then they will get a regular supply of LPG.
So what time it will take to spread entire network?
See, government is making efforts to ensure that as soon as possible the infrastructure will put and supplied through the PNG.
So my another question was the tensions in the Strait of Hormuz are rising. Now even the Indian ships are not allowed to cross the strait. So do you think this move will disrupt the LPG supply in future?
See, this is an international issue, so I won't comment on that thing. There are other authorities and people to comment on that thing. As far as Goa is concerned, as far as supply of LPG and the petrol diesel is concerned, I am here to answer your questions.
So is there any mechanism to monitor black marketing of LPG or either like oil, petroleum, diesel? Is there any
Yes, very much. That is what I said, that we have almost conducted 450 surprise inspections, wherein such incidents have been seen.
recently?
Yes, recently. And it's an ongoing process. So, if you have any issues and ideas or information, please share with us. We will definitely take care of that.
So by any
Sir,
chance
delivery-
petroleum rates will be raised?
I will not comment on that thing. See, basically, it's an international issue, and then Government of India is going to take call on that thing.
Sir, delivery of LPG time now reduced or
Yes,
is
yes,
same, like
yes.
20 days booking?
25 days. 25 days.
What
Yes,
about
yes.
the commercials quota right now?
I said no. It is increased to 60%.
60.
Yes. This is as per the Government of India's guidelines.
सर खूप वेळा काय होते एलपीजी सप्लाय बद्दल
नाही
वेगवेगळे
होते, sir.
रुमर्स शॉर्टेज किंवा इतर गोष्टी संदर्भात पसरवतात किंवा पसरतात त्या संदर्भात तुम्ही कसं टॅकल करता?
That is the main idea of having this press briefing, is that they don't fall to fry to the false rumors. Okay. There is sufficient quota, supply is regular, and there is no interruption with supply of LPG. So please.
प्रेझेंट काय परिस्थिती किती स्टॉक आहे किंवा किती दिवस पुरेल असं काय एलपीजी
Uh,
किंवा पेट्रोल?
The state level coordinator, Mr. Pandey, will brief you on that, on the availability of quota and the stock. But we have sufficient quota, and there is no reasons to panic on that thing.
See, as far as stock of petrol diesel is concerned, it is being maintained at industry level in Goa, which is varying between 10 to 15 days. जैसे अलग होता है vessel आती है, like for example next vessel is planned on 24th and 25th, and the state government and we are keeping a close watch on that. Similarly, जो LPG का production है, 2 of the bottling plants are here in Goa only, कोंडेम में और वरना में है, and then one we are also getting for Belgaum. तो जो हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है, जैसे शुरू में ही बोला था, 10,600 is the delivery of cylinders per day which is happening in Goa. और उसके अगेंस्ट में आज के डेट में मेरी डेली एवरेज बुकिंग 8,900 आ रही है. सो यू कैन से द डेली एवरेज बुकिंग से मेरी लगभग 2,000 सिलेंडर्स की ज्यादा डिलीवरी हो रही है, अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द पैनिक बैकलॉग विच हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. सो वी आर वेल इन कंट्रोल ऑफ द सिचुएशन, सो नथिंग टू पैनिक. सो और जैसा सेक्रेटरी ने बोला है, द बेसिक पर्पस ऑफ दिस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस इज टू रीअश्योर पब्लिक that there's nothing to worry as far as LPG, petrol and diesel is concerned. things are under control, don't fall prey to the rumors.
सर आपने बताया कि डेली 2000 की आपके एक्स्ट्रा बुकिंग्स आ रही है.
बुकिंग नहीं आ रही है
तो
मैंने बोला शुरू में जो था, आपने प्रेस ब्रीफिंग को आपका नोट भी दिया जाएगा, पीआईबी डायरेक्टर आपको देंगे, जो शुरू में नंबर बोला था एवरेज डेली बुकिंग जो वॉर से पहले थी वो 11,412 थी.
ओके.
मार्च में ये बढ़ के 13,037 हो गई. अभी अप्रैल में ये घट करके 8,952 हो चुकी है. तो लोगों ने जो पैनिक में बाई किया है इवेंचुअली तो वो सेटल डाउन हो जाएगा ना. लेकिन हमारी जो सप्लाई है वो स्टेबल है, दैट वी आर मेंटेनिंग.
पेट्रोल की रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है?
अब पेट्रोल की जब बात करें, यदि गोवा में फॉर एग्जांपल कल हमने 764 KL सप्लाई किया है, उसके अगेंस्ट में मेरे पास स्टॉक आज का 11,388 है, मतलब 12 दिन का कवर है. ओके. और डीजल की बात करें तो कल जैसे 1028 KL दिया है, उसके अगेंस्ट में मेरे पास 9,596 KL का अभी रिजर्व है, विच इज फॉर 7 days. और नेक्स्ट वेसल जो आ रहा है वो 7,000 KL MS और 18,400 KL HHD लेके आ रहा है. सो दैट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस थिंग. जहाँ पे जैसे अलेज बनता है उस हिसाब से वेसल का प्लानिंग रहता है एडवांस में. सो एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग टू वरी.
There are no more questions, and thank you all of you. And I would appeal to all of you through your media and press that people should not fall to prey for wrong rumors about the availability about LPG and the petrol and diesel, and they should also go for PNG connections, okay, which is an alternate fuel for the LPG. Thank you so much.
Thank you.